If you're looking for service you can trust, look no further than Mercedes-Benz of White Plains. Cruise in for our Ace Service Special and let our experts perform a synthetic oil change, replace your oil filter, inspect your brakes, and so much more. Need new tires? Purchase 4 Goodyear or Dunlop tires and enjoy a prepaid card up to $60, or cash in on $25 off an HVAC system cleaning. Visit our service department anytime. From simple oil changes to major repairs, our friendly staff is on hand to make your vehicle as good as new. Call, click, or stop in today. We're conveniently located at 50 Bank Street in downtown White Plains, New York. Mercedes-Benz of White Plains. Expect everything.